In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove pop-up sites in Google Chrome. So what you want to do is to go to the three dots up in the top right corner inside your Chrome browser. And then you want to go down to Settings. And then you want to go to Privacy and Security on the left here. And then you want to scroll down to Site Settings at the bottom. And then you want to scroll all the way down to pop-ups and redirects at the bottom. And then you want to go down all the way down to the bottom where it says allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. And as you can see here, we have a list of pages that are allowed to send pop-ups and ads. So what you want to do, if you for example want to remove this pop-up site here, you just click the three dots on the right here beside the web page, and then you want to click block. So this is how you remove pop-up sites in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.